Respected teachers and my dear friends, I am Muhammad Akib Rehan, studying 4th class in Ravindra Bharati Public School. Today, I am going to demonstrate you volcanic eruption. First, let us know about volcanoes. Volcanoes are cone-shaped mountains or hills. They are formed by eruptions of lava and ash. Beneath a volcano, liquid magma is present. Magma is extremely hot and semi-liquid rock located under the surface of the earth. When this hot liquid rock erupts from a volcano, on the surface of the earth, it is called a lava. Volcanic eruptions can be dangerous and destructive. Volcanic eruptions have destroyed so many forests around the world. People choose to live in volcanic areas. Despite the risk of an eruption, as volcanic ash provides fertile land. Now let us proceed for the exciting volcanic eruption experiment. First, for this we need 5 ml of dish soap, 50 ml of warm water, 200 ml of white vinegar, food coloring, baking soda and an empty soda bottle. Now let us start. First add First, add 2 to 4 teaspoons of baking soda. They're not going. We take 2 to 4 teaspoons. Then pour mix of
Take the spoon out. Take the spoon out. Keep it on table. No problem. Tell what you are adding.
Add dish soap, warm water, food coloring, and finally pour vinegar.
Enough.
Now white vinegar.
Keep it up, Mom. Keep it up. Add. Still you add. It's erupting. See.
Now it's eruption time.
Keep some more. Add some more. Add some more vinegar. Add some more vinegar. It comes out.
Wow! This is exciting experiment.
Keep it aside. Keep it aside. On table.
Did it belong? Why does this happen? A red lava is a result of a chemical reaction between soda, baking soda and vinegar. In this reaction, carbon dioxide gas is released. Because of a pressure buildup of gas inside the plastic bottle, the gas bubbles out of it. This is a simple representation of what happens in a real volcano. Volcanic eruptions are natural disaster. Volcanic eruptions are also followed by other natural disasters such as earthquakes, landslides, flash floods, fire, or even tsunamis. Examples of volcanoes are Mount Fuji in Japan, Mauna Loa in Hawaii, Barren Islands volcano in South Asia. I hope all of you enjoy this fun science experiment. Thank you.
Pour some more. Pour some more.
This is trial 2.
Slowly it's coming. No? It's coming out.
Thank you.